is the Structural Building Components Association. We represent over 1,300 component manufacturing locations internationally, both throughout the US and Canada. So we are the voice for those 1,300 manufacturing locations that produce wood roof trusses, wall panels, and floor trusses. So we really want all of the builders around the world to just really understand that you're using the roof trusses most likely already, so you might as well just add those wall panels and floor trusses back into your package because those roof trusses are already engineered and manufactured for your build specifically. We really want to make sure that you're able to maximize those benefits by adding those additional componentized pieces. One thing we're really excited about at SBCA for the structural components industry is really just the next step of introducing wall panels and floor trusses into regular building package orders, adding the whole thing together so that you're able to get the increase that you need out of your production levels. You're able to minimize your cycle times, you're able to reduce on-site waste, and you're able to frame faster with a smaller amount of people. So we really want people to understand that components are a great way, a great stepping stone to that next level in really maximizing your efficiency in construction. So to learn more about how components might fit into your current build plans, feel free to reach out to us at sbcacomponents.com, and we are happy to connect you with all of the resources that you might need to implement components into your daily building schedules.